Hello, this is Mark Barber with MarineMax here at Lake of the Ozarks. You're looking at a 2018 Harris 240 Cruiser. This 240 Cruiser comes with a 200 horsepower Mercury motor outboard, storage underneath your bench for fenders and so forth, bench seating, full bimini top, 12-foot bimini top. Boat comes with cockpit table over here, the Ultralux high back chair with Simrad and Polk stereo. Boat's in really good condition, vinyl flooring throughout. It also has a little extra drink holder armrest down in there. Life jackets down below. There's an anchor underneath over here. This boat does come on a trailer. Is in very good shape. Please call Kyle Barkfried at MarineMax, 573-348-5283. Thank you.